Welcome to space. Welcome to the future. One day you could have a basketball court, the next day you could have a badminton court. This is wild. Look how 3D it looks. Hi all, Lee here. Today I've come to a smart and modern science and technology park. This is Unilumin, one of the world's biggest LED display manufacturers. If you've been to a major concert, a football stadium, or even seen Adele live on tour, there's a good chance you've already seen their screens in action. But today isn't just about LEDs, it's about how they're using AI to completely change the future of display technology. We'll first have an exclusive access inside their huge Daya Bay intelligent manufacturing base, so we can see how these displays are actually made. Then we'll attend their AI launch event, so let's check it out. So we're now inside Unilumin's smart manufacturing base here at Daya Bay. And this place is massive. It's spotless, automated and filled with robotic machines, doing the kind of precision work that human hands could never do at this scale. Unilumin's R&D centre next door employs over 1,000 engineers working on new optical materials, chip-on-board micro-LEDs and smarter control systems. And honestly, walking through here gives you a real sense of how far Chinese manufacturing has come. This isn't just assembly, it's innovation at scale. So right now I'm inside the launch hall where Unilumin is unveiling their brand new range of AI-driven LED products. They haven't released many details beforehand, so let's see what they've been working on. Unilumin isn't just making LED displays smarter, they're turning them into intelligent digital assistants. By integrating AI directly into their panels, these displays can see, listen and interact with people in real time. Imagine walking through an airport and asking a screen for directions, or students learning from an AI teacher right in front of an interactive LED wall. It's a big step beyond display technology. These are intelligent visual systems designed to communicate, not just to show content. Unilumin has just teamed up with AI leader Zhipu and XR specialist Yuanke Vision to create a brand new company. The goal, to merge LED hardware with advanced AI and immersive technology, turning displays into intelligent interactive terminals. For Unilumin, this means moving beyond traditional LED panels into the next generation of smart AI-powered solutions, opening the door to massive new opportunities in digital signage, smart retail and service robots. So I've just come out of the product launch. I tell you, I'm really impressed with some of the stuff they've got. Can't wait to go and see them. So let's go and have a look now. So this is Unilumin's new product. It's an ultra simplified screen control and it cuts down cabling by 95%, eliminates connection errors by up to 80%. It's an all-in-one module. It just fits to the back of the panel and you're able to connect it with only one HDMI cable. It's quite a major leap forward in display technology to make it easier to build stages with LED displays on, installations. It makes it much quicker, more simple, much less cables. So this is their AI large screen and I think it goes from 100 to 160 inches. The thing with this, you can control it by your voice. You can also use a stylus to draw and write on it, but it's completely AI interactive display, really very cool. So another thing about this, it's intelligent, so when you walk towards it, it will wake up, and when there's nobody in front of it, it will go to sleep, and that's a really good energy saving feature. And this is pretty wild. This is Unilumin's new outdoor solution. And it's as bright as 10,000 nits and it only uses 500 watts per square meter. That's a 40% saving over previous generations. That's wild. And then take this. This is their new MIP, 0.19 for outdoor use. Just look at the quality of that. It's absolutely fantastic. Colors are vivid. Resolution is very, very fine. Really impressive. This is wild. Look how 3D it looks. That's just a flat wall, but it literally looks like water's running down there. I really thought that was a real ledge, but it's not. It's just a flat wall. Amazing, really. It really confuses your brain, to be fair. But how realistic it looks. It's so cool. Oh, look at this. It's a robotic, mobile agent. So this would be great in like hospitals. You can inquire, it will guide you around. That is super cool. This is one of their displays here. And this is a 0.7 pitch. Look at the quality of that. It's like so good. I mean, that must be about 100 inches. But that is amazing quality. For me, it's just hard to get my head around how quickly this technology is moving. I mean, I can't wait to get my own place and put all this kind of stuff around, and it's just unbelievable. Let's go check out some of the AI stuff over here. So this is a display integrated with AI, and this can be programmed so this AI person can give like company information, can introduce you to things. It could be in a hospital or a company's reception area. This one here is introducing Unilumen, and it's telling you all about what the company do and that. So this is going to become more and more into our everyday life, this kind of technology. And this behind me, this is what you see in a lot of companies. It's a data screen, but this one's different. Traditionally, to get the data on that screen, you would have to type in a computer, search for stuff, and then ask it to display. But with this one, you just talk to it. You can say, show me all the data from the North region, or show me all the data from Shenzhen. And it will have the AI and understand what you said to display that data on the screen. So what we have here is Unilumen's teaching system, and it's all based on AI. So first of all, the student will go through a lesson on this screen here, and then once they've learnt the lesson, they have their own private AI tutor. And the beauty of that is, if you take a traditional school, you'll have a range of kids who learn at different levels, whereas with this, each child can learn at its own speed because it has its own personal tutor. And personally, I think this is going to be the future of education, and it's just amazing that Unilumen are already on this trend. And this is actually a teaching assistant that's linked to a large language model. Now that large language model can either be in the cloud or it can be local. It has facial recognition, so it can have multiple conversations with the LLM, and it will remember each one individually. It won't confuse the different conversations that it's having with different people. This is Unilumen's completely centralized management system for all their displays. So if you have multiple displays in a venue, you control them all from this central place. It's like a digital twin. So whatever's displayed on there, I can then, if I want, I can change it to this, and instantly you can see it changes on the screen there. We can change it to Unilumen. We can change it to some dancers. Fantastic. Now this here, this is next level. This is a virtual production stage. It has LED on the floor, the ceiling, the sides and the back. And interestingly, there's about 140 of these virtual production studios worldwide using Unilumen's equipment and technology. Wow, this is just so cool. The things you could do in one of these. Right now, look, I'm in the River Rapids. Next, I can possibly even be in outer space. My God. You actually almost feel, standing here, you feel like you're actually there. That is just such an immersive experience. Oh my God. Now I'm under the water. I could imagine this could be used on theme park rides as well. You put a simulator in here and have all this going on around you. You literally, it really gives you the feeling that you're actually right in the action. So not only do they design and manufacture the display technology, but they also have solutions, kind of security solutions. So if you have a display in public that's getting a live feed. You can program a device like this, configure it so it doesn't display any kind of unwanted content like pornography or some violence. You can actually set criteria within this solution, this box, to stop feeding that particular content. It will filter the content so unwanted content is not displayed. This is Unilumen's solution for sports stadiums or sports halls. It's really cool. They have like the scoreboard thing up here. They even have the clock, and then you have the advertising hoardings. And this is, for me, the coolest part. They even have an LED floor. And what this could be really cool, imagine you have a sports hall and it's only big enough for one court. One day you could have a basketball court, the next day you could have a badminton court, the day after that it could be a tennis court. Such a cool idea. It's pretty wild to think that the same company making the screens for a World Cup stadium is now developing intelligent systems that could power future metaverse experiences or adaptive advertising displays. So after seeing both the product launch and the factory, what stands out most is how quickly display technology is evolving. Unilumen isn't just building LED panels anymore. They're building visual platforms that merge AI, data and design. From concepts to smart cities, the next generation of screens will be brighter, smarter and more connected than ever. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look inside one of China's most advanced tech manufacturers, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments what part impressed you the most. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.